Hello everyone, my name is Vivek and I am from College Union. Today we are here at the Indian Agriculture College, Radhapuram to have an interview with Dr. E.A. Jonathan Sir, Advisor, EAAC. He has pursued various degrees in agriculture from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. He has undergone postdoctoral research at North Carolina State University, USA in the year 1988. He has completed 39 years of service involving research, teaching, guiding agriculture and PhD students. He also has published 12 books and 127 research papers in various national and international journals. He has served as HOD and Director in Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. He has obtained the National Award for Outstanding Research in Agriculture. He has served as member in selection committees for recruitment in UPSC, New Delhi, ICER institutions, and Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Mode, New Delhi. It is an honor having an interview with Dr. E.A. Jonathan Sir.
So, sir, you have had key positions at various levels of your professional career. So, what do you think is the factor that keeps you connected with the education sector?
I served in Agriculture University, Coimbatore for 39 years in different places, in research stations, colleges, and so on. And as professor, I served for 4 years and HOD, and then subsequently as director. So all these things have given me a lot of opportunities to understand things, and I had a passion for teaching. Still I enjoy handling classes. So all these things made me to come in this institute, associated with this institute, and try to deliver the best one so that I can use my experience, I can mingle with the professors here and give my thoughts and ideas so that this institute can excel, and it will be very pleasing experience for me.
As already discussed, you have had key positions at various institutions at various levels. So you know what this leadership is all about. So what is your ideology about leadership?
The leader need to have a clear vision. He has to understand things very clearly and motivate the co-workers, co-scientists or co-professor, whatever it may be. See, we have to understand very well, and we have to get the information from them. For example, a young professor may have a lot of ideas, so we have to discuss all those things and get the feedback from them and interact with them. With all these things, we can summarize and think over it, and finally, the leader has to take a strong decision so that we can achieve our vision.
So, being the advisor of the Indian Agriculture College, so what are the key programs that you offer for the students, and what is the plan for the future that you are strategizing?
Now we are offering BSc Honours in Agriculture, a basic degree in agriculture, and in this is a 4-year program, and in the first year we have got some basic courses, and second year onwards we have got the actual agricultural and allied subjects. Whereas we study agriculture, we study horticulture, we study animal husbandry, and all these things, farm machinery, all these things are related to agriculture. So apart from that, we have got a leadership program, how to develop the communication skill. All these things are covered, even the marketing, agriculture economics, how to market the produces. So all these techniques we are learning in this BSc Agriculture program right now. And we have started this college in 2016, and 2 batches have successfully completed the program in this college, and they are now pursuing their PG program, and some of them has got obtained job and at their job. And in future, we are planning to strengthen the laboratory, strengthen the faculty, and then we want to start the PG programs in key areas. For example, plant breeding and genetics, agricultural entomology, plant pathology, soil science and agricultural chemistry, and so on.
Right. As you see, there are too many agricultural colleges in our country. So what do you see is the uniqueness in our Indian Agriculture College, Radhapuram?
So we have got a committee for recruitment of professors, and with the committee with a high level of academic background. So we select our preference PhD with NET, that is National Eligibility Test Qualified People. We take only those people as our process. And number 2, regarding the monitoring, we've got regularly monitoring both the students and the teachers and get the feedback from them. And this helps us to know the gap if there is anything in teaching so that we can rectify and provide our best in teaching. And number 3, facilities. We've got a smart classroom, spacious lecture halls, and the laboratories. We have got about 20 laboratories, well-equipped laboratories, so that we can do the practicals effectively. That is very important. You ask the uniqueness of this campus. See, we have got 150 acres of land in our college. Nearly 20 acres are with horticultural crops, particularly perennial trees. We've got varieties of trees, fruit trees and other things. And we've got agroforestry in 20 acres. We've got 10 acres of wetland. Apart from that, we've got the regular college building and all the rest of the area being occupied by cashew trees. So with this huge number of area, we need to require a lot of water. And this Radhapuram area is a little bit water stress area, but still it's a challenge for us, and we are succeeding in doing things agriculture very effectively. And we use drip irrigation, and also we fertigate the plants through drip irrigation. So labor saving as well as water saving. Through drip irrigation, we can save 70% of water. Supposing, for example, I am saying, under the numbers of banana plants are there, if it requires 100 liters of water for 1 hour, through drip irrigation, it's enough to give 30 liters. So 70% of the water is being saved. That's the important thing. Judicious use of water.
And
Yes, that is Israeli technology. And apart from this, we've got these students. In the 8th semester, we have got experiential learning program. Whereas the first year, second year, third year, fourth year students, we are doing the operations in the field itself. And labor is going to be a big constraint. In due course of time, it's very difficult to get agricultural labor. So we have to find a solution for that. Here in our college, we understand all these things, and from field preparation, sowing, intercultural operation, and harvest. So we use the machineries, tractor-drawn machineries, and we are doing it very successfully. We have found it very successful in groundnut, rice, and maize. All these things they have done effectively. And the students are also involved in these activities, and they are seeing all these things practically. Actually, they are learning things during the 4 years, say actual experiential learning in a proper form. That's what's happening in this campus. That is the uniqueness.
so, sir, how do you treat students from various economic backgrounds? So, education actually does not have any difference in economic backgrounds. So, what is your insight about it?
See, in our college, we have got different status of students. We don't look at the economic background or status of the students. We equally treat everything. We give equal opportunities for each and every student. And if there are some good students, we will try to lift them up so that he can further develop. If some students are average, we will try to focus more on them and interact with them, and try to give some extra coaching, extra classes, so that he can also become, he can also give good results as a student. So socio-economic status is not a only issue. We are not looking at that. We treat everyone on the same category.